I went to the office. You know, really good.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
So do you. Where are you?
I'm home.
Oh,
I went to the office and the computer got disconnected. I don't know how. And she okay. And I got the papers and I came back.
oh.
I'm at home now. Can you see my apartment?
Yes, it's so bright and happy.
Yeah. Oh my God. Thank you for doing this, Mary.
Of course.
Crazy. Oh,
Yes.
are you ready? Where
I'm ready. So what
are
are
you?
we doing?
Are you home?
I'm home in Pennsylvania. This is our house in Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. What I'm gonna ask you is little questions, and
Okay.
you answer whatever.
Okay.
Okay. The first question is, what was your situation before you came to Southwest?
I had a lot of pain in my knee, and my left knee and my leg, and it all the way up into my hip and my back.
And what kind of problem did you have with that pain on your hips and your back?
I couldn't walk up steps. Was very hard to exercise. I had to wear a brace on my knee to make it feel stable, but it was a lot of pain.
Oh. And can you describe that kind of pain you had?
It was like a thread of pain from my knee up to my hip and into my lower back.
Okay. And how did you that make you feel?
I was always tired,
Mhm.
and I was also very sad because I really couldn't get around and I couldn't exercise or climb the stairs or walk on the street. So it made me very sad.
Okay. And yeah, and that's how you were feeling when you couldn't do such things,
Yeah.
sad, depressed.
Yes. Sad, depressed, anxious, old.
Oh. So that comes with old age. And what have you tried before you come to Southwest? You try physical therapy? Any-
I tried physical therapy and I tried massages, just regular massages, and it didn't work. I tried some Pilates as well, yoga. It didn't work.
And why do you think that they didn't work?
Because so I learned from you that the that my body was congested. I don't know how to explain it. I mean, it just all I felt like I was doing was putting ointment on the saw instead of really getting into the heart of what was the problem.
Mhm. And you thought it was going to get worse and worse, right?
Yes, it was getting worse and worse. It wasn't getting better.
Okay. And when the situation changed?
After the second session with you, I started feeling a lot of relief where I could move my knee around, and I noticed my hip wasn't hurting very much. It happened pretty quickly after the second session.
Great. And what happened, you remember, in the first meeting at Southwest? The
Yes.
first you
So
can,
you asked me to stand up so that you could look at me, and you looked at my body, front and back and side, and you talked to me about the imbalance that my one side was shorter than the other. My right side was shorter, and so therefore I wasn't straight. I wasn't standing straight. My hips weren't in the line. My knees weren't in the line. My feet weren't in a line. So I was really off square. I don't know how else to say it.
I understand. And when did you realize and why that this was what the solution for your problem?
Well, it just made sense because the more you worked on me, stretched my myofascial, the more you opened it up, and I felt that it was. I could feel the movement of my body in a way I never did before internally. It's hard to explain exactly, but it was like I could feel rubber bands being moved around and some loosening and some just moving. But it was a very interesting and wonderful feeling, actually, because I literally could feel the inside of my body stretching, expanding like a rubber band.
Wow. What did you have?
Well, it took a little while, but not too long, because I think I was in a bad position for a long time. And so my body had to heal. But I now I do everything. I mean, I have no pain at all, none. And my legs are in alignment. My shoes fit better in, in a funny way. Like I don't wear out one side more than the other. And just in general, I feel much stronger and happier.
You're right. That's good. And on a scale from 0 to 10, Mary, like a 0 or 1 is like my treatment didn't work at all, and 10, that was the best treatment that you ever had. How
10,
would you
10,
rate?
10, 10, 10 across the board. 10. I mean, I'm still going to you because I believe in it, and I know that bodies don't change that quickly. So I'm committed to, getting healthy this way. I mean, it's really amazing how it even helped with my digestion. You were working on my abdomen to at one point, because I was bloated, and it helps with that too. It's amazing what your sessions do, and your expertise and your beliefs. It's very
Yeah, thank you. And
good.
what would you recommend with myofascial release?
I have already. Yes, I recommend you highly to everybody I know.
All right. Thank you, Mary. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank,
Thank you. Thank you for your
thank
time.
Yes.
Happy to see you. Nice. Okay. Enjoy your days off.
You too. Enjoy your day. Love you. Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you, Mary. Bye bye.
Bye.